Welcome back to our channel, dear viewers. I'm OSA, and today we're diving deep into the exciting world of investing. From stocks and bonds to real estate and retirement accounts, we're here to help you unlock the potential of investment opportunities. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our valuable investment insights. Investing is the key to growing your wealth and achieving financial freedom. It's not just for the wealthy. Anyone can get started with the right knowledge and approach. There are various investment options available. Let's explore some of the most common ones. Stocks. Buying shares of companies can provide excellent returns over time. Bonds. These are like loans to governments or corporations and can offer stability and regular income. Real estate. Investing in property can be a great way to build wealth and generate passive income. Retirement accounts, 401(k)s, IRAs, and other retirement accounts provide tax advantages and help secure your future. Now that you know the options, it's time to create an investment plan. Set clear goals. Determine what you want to achieve through your investments, whether it's retirement, buying a home, or funding your child's education. Risk tolerance. Assess your risk tolerance to decide how much you're comfortable investing in different assets. Diversify. Spread your investments across various assets to minimize risk. Continuous learning. Keep educating yourself about the market and investment strategies. The best time to start investing is now. The power of compounding means the earlier you begin, the more you can potentially earn. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Investing may seem daunting, but it's a journey worth taking. We'll be here to guide you every step of the way. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for regular updates on investing and financial success. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, your financial future begins with the first investment you make.